Okay, today I'm going to be working on thinning out these cabbages that I've been growing and transplant them into some individual grow bags. I saw Lady Homestead Hard had ordered these 7-gallon grow bags, and I went and ordered me some too. So I'm going to place one cabbage in each one of these bags. I have my soil mixed all together, so now all I got to do is fill these bags up. So let's get started. Okay, I have my bags filled with soil now. All I got to do is add my cabbage in. Okay, I have some of the cabbage transplanted into the grow bags. Now let's see them grow big and beautiful in their own individual bag. Okay, I have them placed in a shaded area so they will grow better in this area with all this hot sun that we're dealing with. I still have a few more that I need to put in the individual pots. It's getting late tonight. These termites are starting to swarm, so I had to go on inside. I'll finish them up another time. Got some of them in their pots. I'm gonna water them down and say goodnight to them.